Welcome to Chapter 4 of our Digital Citizenship series, How Can I Conduct Smart Research? Today, we'll learn how to become research experts by using search optimization techniques. You'll discover the power of effective keywords, advanced search settings, and explore multiple search engines to find exactly what you need. Let's begin. First, select a research topic that interests you, or your teacher may assign one. It's helpful to define a specific question or subtopic to narrow down your search and make it more focused. For example, instead of searching for climate change, you could focus on how climate change affects polar bears. Identify effective keywords. Now, it's time to identify effective keywords. Start by brainstorming 5 to 10 relevant words or phrases connected to your topic. Think of synonyms and related terms to broaden your search. For instance, if your topic is oceans, try keywords like marine environment, sea life, or aquatic ecosystem. Experiment with keyword combinations to see which ones produce the best results. This will help you target the most relevant information. Scene 3. Use advanced search settings. Now, let's dive into advanced search settings. These powerful tools will help refine your search results. Here are some techniques. Quotes. Use quotes to search for an exact phrase. Minus sign, dash excludes specific words. Example polar bears definition. Dot, site search, site, search within a specific site. Example, site.gov. Dot, file type, find specific file types like PDFs or PowerPoints. Example, file type. Dot, Boolean operators, and or combine terms to filter your search. Example, rainforest and conservation. Dot, try these settings and note how your results change. Explore different search engines. Don't limit yourself to one search engine. Each engine has its own strengths. Google provides personalized, comprehensive results. DuckDuckGo focuses on privacy and shows ad-free, unbiased results. Bing, great for multimedia searches like images and videos. Google Scholar, ideal for finding academic research and scholarly articles. Explore different engines and see how the results vary based on your topic. Refine the search strategy. After trying out different keywords and search techniques, evaluate how relevant your results are. If needed, adjust your keywords, try new combinations, or tweak your advanced search settings. Keep track of any changes you make and the impact they have on your results. This will help you identify which strategies work best. Compile findings into a strategy guide. Now, it's time to organize your findings. Create a search optimization guide that includes your most effective keyword combinations, advanced search techniques that provided the best results, search engines that worked well for your topic. This guide will be a valuable resource for others learning to conduct smart research. Present findings to the class. Finally, share your findings with the class. You can demonstrate a few search optimization techniques and highlight which keyword strategies were most effective. After the presentations, let's have a class discussion to reflect on the most useful techniques and any challenges you faced during the process. Closing scene. Wrap up. Great job. You've learned how to conduct smart research by mastering search optimization techniques. Remember, being a skilled researcher means knowing how to find accurate, relevant information efficiently. With these tools, you'll always be ready to dive into any topic with confidence. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to put your search skills to the test. Happy researching!